All right, it's Wednesday, August 7th. I'm buying some Tesla 210 puts here at 1121. This is on the 15-minute chart that had the big shooter bar on bar number one. Took out the pre-market highs, took out yesterday's high, so I'm looking for kind of a two-up failure on the daily chart here. If it follows through, gets through the midpoint of yesterday's bar, can then be having an outside day to the downside, taking out the low of yesterday's bar if it follows through. Again, playing that opening price action that took out the highs, and that was following through a little lower on bar number two. And we will see if, after this big downtrend, this was just taking out a little liquidity to the upside and then starts another leg lower in the big picture. You have a weekly chart that, like many stocks, has a little bit of a green move up after the gap down for the first few days of the week, but it just could be a simple, one day kind of thing, little pause, and eventual roll over to test those lows again. So we don't really know how this weekly chart's going to end up. Is it going to be a green reversal bar, which then could have a two-up week and maybe start the trend back up, or is it just a two-day kind of weakened kind of rally here that eventually rolls over and keeps that downtrend going to some of these lower targets? I'm going to obviously play for the downside, just given the opening price action, the way it's failing here at the open and starting lower. If we can get through the midpoint of the prior day, then we could be, taking out that low and then starting towards a weekly low. So we will see on the 15-minute chart if we can hold the midpoint of this first bar here and continue lower.